I got a nice 4-foot wide section of wall space in my garage, which I'm going to install these Gladiator wall panels over. Each single panel covers a 4-foot by 1-foot section of wall. By the way, Gladiator did not sponsor this video and I bought everything with my own money. I start off using a stud finder and a pencil to mark where all the studs are. I like using these magnetic stud finders. I just find them to be a little more reliable. By the way, I will have links to all the tools I use and Gladiator accessories featured in this video down in the description. These are Amazon affiliate links, and if you use my links, I will make a small commission from your purchase. Thank you for your support. Alright, now that all my studs are marked, let's open up the first pack of panels and begin installing. Along with these panels, I also picked up a couple of packs of these Gladiator wall screws, which have a white head to match the panel color. Here's the first panel installed. I used the level to make sure I installed it straight. This first panel is the most important since all other panels will align to it. These panels have a special groove above and below, allowing them to slip into one another. I decided to put 6 screws for each single panel, 2 screws per stud, spanning across 3 studs. I think this will give it more than enough strength to hold up heavy items. I also made sure that I aligned all the screws in a nice uniform way so that all the screws line up across all the panels so that it all looks visually appealing. I also pre-drilled each hole for the screws to make sure I don't end up causing too much damage to the studs. And here it is, all done. Every single screw is in the stud and is nice and flush with the panel surface. Now I'm ready to play around with some accessories. I have placed a few accessories on the wall here to get a good idea of how each one fits, so that I can decide how I would like to use this section of my wall. Each of these accessories drop snugly into place and they feel nice and sturdy. I especially like the fact that I can now hang my bike on this wall and out of the way. I plan to continue doing some more organizing in my garage. Please subscribe to watch more helpful videos in the future and to help support my channel. Thanks for watching.